Hey signers, we asked you if you wanted to learn signs for popular brand names and companies, and you responded with a resounding yes. A quick note, these signs that we have compiled are signs that are used within local deaf communities. These are not signs that you would see in a printed form in a sign language dictionary. Because of this, you need to recognize there might be variations from sign to sign. It is best to ask within your local deaf community what sign is used there, or if there is one. Now let's learn how to sign popular brand names. Here is your first tip. Many popular names are actually just fingerspelled or abbreviated. Yes, I know what you're thinking, but why? Well, signs must be created by the deaf community, accepted by them, and used by them. When in doubt, fingerspell it. Tip number 2. There are variations for popular brands just like there are for many signs. This is because they are created by the deaf community in their area. So you might see a sign that was created in New York vary from a sign that was created in San Francisco. That is extremely important to note when you are watching the signs in this video. And tip number 3, because of this, don't make up sign names. If you don't know the sign, ask for it. And if there isn't one, then just fingerspell it. YouTube. YouTube. Your non-dominant hand is a B and your dominant is a Y moving in a circle. YouTube. Google. Google. You have a G-shaped hand going around your face like the sign for to search. Google. Amazon or Amazon. It's an A making a smile or A to Z. Amazon. Amazon. Apple. Apple. You have your index finger pushed out with a little knuckle and twisting it right on your cheek. Yes, this is the sign for Apple or Apple computer. Apple. Disney or Disney. It's a D on the side of your chin, twisting or making the Mickey Mouse ears. This is also the sign for Mickey Mouse. Disney. Disney. Target. Target. It's a T hand twisting coming up to your nose like a target. Target. Wal-Mart. Wal-Mart. It's a W coming down with the sign cheap or WM from your chin to your chest. Wal-Mart. Wal-Mart. Nike or Nike. Fingerspell Nike or the swish mark for Nike. 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 Dunkin Donuts. Dunkin Donuts. It's D. Dunkin Donuts. Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. It's the abbreviation T for Trader and J for Joe's. Trader Joe's. Whole Foods. Whole Foods. You have a 5-shaped hand coming to a flat O to the sign food. Whole Foods. Chick-fil-A or Chick-fil-A. It's the F hand like the sign for bird or bird fingerspelling out fillet. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Taco Bell. Taco Bell. You're going to do the sign taco and then making a bell swinging back and forth like it's dinging. Taco Bell. McDonald's or McDonald's. It's flat M-shaped hands making the golden arches or an M-D on your non-dominant fist. McDonald's. McDonald's. Wendy's or Wendy's. You're showing her pigtails or W's with pigtails. Wendy's, Wendy's. Burger King, Burger King. It's a sign hamburger and king together. Burger King. Panera Bread. You fingerspell Panera and then bread. Panera Bread. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. It's using this bent V to make two Z's to an A and then Hut. Pizza Hut. Chipotle. Chipotle. You have C-shaped hands with the dominant up on your shoulder coming down to your non-dominant. Chipotle. Subway, as in Subway the restaurant. The sign for Subway along with sandwich. Subway. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. The number 7 flipped 11. 7-Eleven. Pepsi. Pepsi. You have a finger making a cross across your forehead. Pepsi. Coke or Coke. You fingerspell Coke or an index finger to the bicep. Coke, Coke. Disclaimer, I do know what you're thinking. This is still the sign for a drink Coke. Now let's put these signs into sentences. I like watching YouTube. YouTube, me, watch, enjoy. I wish we lived closer to a Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, wish, live near. I buy everything from Walmart and Amazon. Walmart, Amazon, buy everything. My favorite salad is from Chick-fil-a. Chick-fil-A salad, my favorite. Thanks for learning with me today. And don't forget to sign up for our newsletter at learnhowtosign.org. Be sure to like and subscribe too. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.